Good morning, all. This is Mani Achanta, SGT, MP Urdu Primary School, Shanti Nagar, Vijayanagaram Mandal, Vijayanagaram District. Kids, how are you? Today, Rani is going to tell you something. Please listen to her.
Thank you, teacher, for giving opportunity. Hi, friends. వాట్సాప్ స్పీచ్లో ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ గురించి ఈరోజు నేర్చుకుందాం. ఏ ప్రిపోజిషన్ ఈజ్ ఎ వర్డ్ దట్ టెల్స్ వేర్ ఏ పర్సన్, ఎ ప్లేస్, అన్ యానిమల్ ఆర్ థింగ్ ఈజ్. ప్రిపోజిషన్ అనేది ఒక వ్యక్తి యొక్క లేకపోతే ఒక స్థలము లేదా ఒక జంతువు ఒక వస్తువు యొక్క స్థితిని తెలియజేస్తుంది. ఈరోజు కొన్ని ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం. Usage of in, on, under, beside, around, along, through, between. So, let's get started our class. So, watch this. Here is a stool. Here is a cat. The cat is on the stool. The cat is on the stool. Here is a brown stool. Here is a blue cat. The cat is under the stool. The cat is under the stool. Here. Oh, this is a table. This is a blue color table. The cat is running around the table. The cat is running around the table. Here, this is a long stool. This is a brown cat. The cat is sleeping before the stool. The cat is sleeping before the stool. Oh, here is a brick wall. The cat is behind the wall. The cat is behind the wall. Oh, here is a brick wall. The cat is sleeping beside the wall. The cat is sleeping beside the wall. That is a bucket. That is a green bucket. The cat is in the bucket. The cat is walking along the pond. Here is a cat. The cat is walking along the pond. Here is a man. Here is a black cat. The cat is walking through the street. The cat is walking through the street. The cat is walking through the street. Next, watch this. Here are the flowers. The cat is sitting between the flowers. The cat is sitting between the flowers. Here are the houses. The cat is standing among the houses. The cat is standing among the houses. Okay, children, now repeat with me. On, under, around, before, behind, beside, in, along, through, between, among. Please practice these prepositions with sentences. I hope you understood the prepositions. Thank you, teacher, for giving this opportunity. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.
Well done, Rani. You have taken a good class. Thank you. Bye. Okay, children. I hope you understood some prepositions. Let's learn some more prepositions with suitable examples. Okay? Children, our today's topic is prepositions. Or you can say the position word. Can you see these four pictures? You can see a common ball. The question is, where is the ball? Okay, children. In the picture number 1, if you notice, the ball is inside a box. If you see picture number 2, the ball is on the table. Picture number 3, the ball is under the table. And the picture number 4, the ball is near to the table. So children, how are we able to identify the position of the word? Children, where is the ball? By seeing the position where the ball lies, we were able to identify the ball is inside a box, the ball is on the table, the ball is under the table, the ball is near to the table. So, in, on, under, near, these words are prepositions. In this video, we are only going to talk about in, on, under and near. Rest of the prepositions I will make another video. Now let us see. A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal or a thing is. As you saw the ball, it was lying inside a box, then on the table, then under the table, then near the table. Like this, we can see the position of particular thing or a person where it is. As I told you in this video, we will be discussing on, in, under and near. So, I will talk about in first. Can you see these eggs? Can you see 3 eggs, children? Where it is lying? It's inside the nest. The eggs are in the nest. Can you see the ball, children? Where is the ball lying? The ball is in the box. Can you see the apples? The apples are in the basket. So children, there were the 3 sentences in which I explained you the concept of in. Now let us move on. Children, where is the clock? The clock is on the wall. Where is the clock? It's on the wall. The ball is on the table. Where is the ball? On the table. Here, on is a preposition used to identify the position of the thing, that is the ball. The boy is sitting on the chair. Now, we will talk about under. The boy is standing under the tree. Where is the boy? The boy is standing under the tree. Can you see the picture, children? The boy is standing under the tree. The ball is under the table. Where is the ball in this picture? The ball is under the table. Where is the dog? Yes, the dog is sleeping under the table. Here under is a preposition. It tells us where the dog is. Now we will talk about near. See picture. The ball is near the table. The car is parked near the house. Where is the car? The car is parked near the house. The pen is near the book. The pen is near the book. Here, near is a preposition. Near is the preposition. Okay, children, I hope this concept is clear to you. ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ప్రిపోజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేసెస్ గురించి నేర్చుకున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. హ్యావ్ ఏ నైస్ డే చిల్డ్రన్.